Good evening, Bruce here with California Gold Connection. Just want to do a quick gold and, well, all precious metals update video. I'm actually on vacation in Texas right now. A proud father of a daughter that just graduated Air Force basic training. So that's what we're doing here. And then my wife and I just took another week and just enjoying Texas. So, but I had to jump in because we are about ready to retest gold all-time high and silver all-time high. And palladium's got a good lookout as well. So let's jump in real quick. Nothing real technical in this video. Just looking at these levels. So we've had this major breakout with gold. We had this all-time high. And then we finally got the correction we needed for a healthy market. And in my last video, I think I told you, or probably told you, the higher you go parabolic without a correction, the harder, more severe the correction will be. Anyway, so here we are, but we're holding this 39.33 level, and we bounced off of there, and we kind of floundered around there, and now we're on a march back up. Could be a few days out, 3-4 days, a week out before we test this all-time high again. But with the momentum we have and all the sentiments, it seems like we are marching up to retest this all-time high. So we'll just have to keep an eye on gold. Will it get there, or will it turn back down and create us a double bottom, another W pattern, and then go back up and then break through? Or will we just break through on this run up? We'll have to see what how this plays out, but the current trajectory is looking pretty good. Let's look at palladium real quick. Palladium, it's holding. I told you, just to recap real quick, if it'll load, I'm in a slower internet. Well, like we've talked about a number of times, we've hit this level multiple times over multiple years. And now we have broken through this 1250 level, and we were holding above it, and that's what I'm liking to see. What I like to see in the charts right now is we've got this W pattern. The measured move out of there is the 1568 level. So we'll see if we can keep on pushing up and see if we can't retest this high right here that we had. And keep going. In any event, I'm just glad to see us hanging up here instead of crashing back down. Now this line would be support, but if we break that line at some point in the future, then we'll be dropping back down probably and floundering around. But so far, so good with palladium. We'll see if that can hold for us. Those of you that are my clients in the dental industry, we're always watching palladium because it makes a huge difference in our payout, because we have a lot of palladium in our payout, or in our precious metal there. Silver, this isn't silver. Let's go to silver. Is this silver? This is silver. Okay, silver. We are seconds away. We'll probably retest overnight is what it looks like. But certainly tomorrow, if not, we're going to be retesting the all-time high with silver. We have just blasted out of this. We have that correction, just like gold did. We've come down to this 45.98, basically $46 level. And that held. And then we've floundered around a little bit these last couple of weeks, and then we've just pushed through, and we created this W pattern here. The measured move out of that W pattern was right there at the top of that bar, which is a 53.26 level. We hit that yesterday, and or was that today? Yesterday. And let's see what day is today. I don't even know what day it is. Wednesday. No, yes, we hit that today. So this is overseas trading you're seeing here. So if that holds tomorrow, we may be testing this all-time high again. Will we get rejected there and come back down, or will we push through? Your guess is as good as mine. If gold continues to push up, I would presumably see silver push through this level. But we'll see what gold does, and silver for that matter. So anyway, just a quick update. Basically, I want you to watch silver. For those of you that are stacking silver, we are about ready to test all-time highs in silver. It's been really exciting last month and a half or whatever it's been for silver. Palladium, we've got our W pattern we're watching for. It started moving up overseas right now. We'll like to see this come up and meet that measured move out of there. Gold, we could be days away or a week away from testing this all-time high, or we can get candles like this and just shoot right up to it. We'll just have to see how that plays out, and if we actually make it, or like I said, are we going to turn back down and flounder a little bit, create another W out of this before we retest this again. We'll have to see how that plays out. But either way, everything's going the right direction. Looking good for us. You guys have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.